Let's go for one more run. Discharge these batteries, see if we can get it back up. All clear. Wow. Ooh, right across the junction again.
Just squirting there. Oh, they've actually made the lights go. My car's actually made the lights go.
Keep the shoe in it, huh? If in doubt, just send it. Let's see what that was. It's gonna be another 150 anyway, it has to be. Tires are nice and warm. I think that's them, they've had it. They're really spongy there. Oh, right. Okay. So, start, read. Oh, 147, less, a lot less. Right, okay. Here. Still alright, isn't it? Alright, that's me. That motor's now retired. I won't be seeking any more PBs with that motor. It's a beautiful night here, so it is, and there's nobody. You can see there's no traffic at all. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And I think I'm going to move up to the 1100. But look at that, it's getting dark. We are now 7 o'clock. It'll be dark in an hour. It'll be pitch black here. So that's me done. I'll see you on the other side, alright?